Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. A tool that I probably use more than most others, that's the hand sprayer. This one is easy to work with. If you've got any kind of pesticide or fungicide, you need something to apply it with. This is something simply that you're going to use according to directions. You pump it up and you have pressure and you simply can apply it over your plants. Now today, with many of the organic materials, you can use some of the neem oils, you can use some of the pepper type materials, you can use Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacteria toxin. Actually, it's a good bacteria that helps kill caterpillars and not the beneficial bugs. When you're using any of those materials, make sure that you use it according to label directions. If you're using something for weeds, I'd keep one separate. Mark on there for weeds. If you're using it for lawn insects, I'd put lawn probably on here. You don't want to be mixing a bunch of different types of chemicals into the same container. If you do happen to do that, make sure you rinse it out about 3 times before you put something else in there. Never store your material in here because it'll gum up the sprayer. Also, you might think of some sudsy ammonia if you need to clean it. It'll make it a healthier, happier environment. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.